Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you dreaming of the sand emote location in Heartopia festival update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the movie guide and this is how the emote looks like. Actually, the emote is called Keep Quiet, but the riddle is dreaming on the sand. And I'm going to show you guys where you can find the bubble to unlock the emoji. First of all, you need to go to the amethyst beach and the bubble will be right here. Okay, this is the bubble in front of this movie festival. And yeah, I've just unlocked the dreaming on the sand emote. And I'm going to show you how the emote looks like. Okay, this one. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Dreaming on the Sand emote in Heartopia Festival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!